Today, I want to address to the international organizations that proudly hide under their brains, but unfortunately, at the critical time, distancing themselves from the performing those missions for the sake of which they were created. Please tell me, what is the essence of your existence? Just to spend taxpayers' money for the sake of the fictitious missions? For the sake of the recruiting absolutely incompetent specialists who were hired by acquaintance but not by competence? Today, in the high-tech world, we know very well how organizations doing it, right? When you're silent or just watch from afar, but don't take actions, even simply by performing your duties, then fake media, propagandists, and fake experts appear and take your place. From the outside, it's already clearly visible that you are inactive in Central Asian countries, or you are performing your service in different directions for which you were created. Skillfully hiding under your own signs, but not performing your direct peacekeeping mission. This is negligence and complicity in the escalation of the process. The Central Asian countries achieved their independence after the Soviet Union collapsed, and immediately after that, international organizations began actively appearing in the region. But unfortunately, their services and missions then and now are very contrasted. I urge you to start actively perform your missions, record all the facts, and inform the international community in order to save peace and independence in the Central Asian countries. Of course, you are aware of how the conflict in Tajik-Kyrgyz border began, including because of the reckless and unreasonable statement of some officials who blurted out but didn't think, and now hiding after ordinary citizen by taking the position of the victim. The people of this region have lived in the peace and creativity for the centuries. Neighbors from different countries could come to each other just to drink tea together and have a heart-to-heart talk until the third parties appeared. The international community must know the truth and do everything for the sake of peace in our already difficult world, which we have one for all. Thank you.